If you want your Google Docs to read your text out loud in Chrome, this video will walk you through it step by step. It is quick, and you only need to set it up once. Start by opening the Google Doc you want to listen to, like a transcript or notes. At the top, open the Extensions menu and choose Get Add-ons. Search for Read Aloud GTS by LSD Software and install it. It will ask for a few permissions and get installed. It is free and open source, so you can keep using it without paying. Close that add-ons window when it finishes. Next, open the Chrome Web Store and search for Read Aloud by LSD Software. Then add that extension to Chrome. You only have to install these two extensions one time. After they are installed, open Chrome's Extension Manager and pin the Read Aloud icon so it stays visible in your toolbar. Go back to your document and click the Read Aloud icon in the toolbar. Press play and it will start reading from where your cursor is.
Midnight, need to add page numbers in Word, but only.
There is also a keyboard shortcut, Alt+P, which will start or pause the reading. If you want only a certain part read, highlight the text you want and then press play.
If you now want to make the page numbers start from the second page, make sure that the header and footer area is activated and switch to the header and footer tab. There, simply click on Different First Page and Word will remove.
If you click the Gear or Settings button in the extension, you can change the voice, adjust speed, pitch, and volume. At the top of that settings menu, you can also edit shortcut keys so you can choose whatever keyboard combo feels easiest for you. That's all there is to it. Once everything is set up, you can have any Google Doc read aloud in seconds, which is handy for proofreading, listening on the go, or working hands-free. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment. What problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.